Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. Tons and tons of you who are new right on over here. It's a special welcome to you and thank you so much for making it West Indian Delights. Yeah, I don't know that from the journey start with Debbie Dong. I don't know long time. And manners and respect. We don't know that, eh? Bless up. Now today's video is not a cooking video. As I said to you before, we are gonna be highlighting each week maybe one or two comments from the comments section that is positive and that has something to answer to, that has something to share with all of you all in the comments, which are my family. You are my YouTube family. Some questions are being asked sometimes specifically in comments and I answer to them. And I know that is not the individual only that asks a question that would need to hear that answer. So today's comment is going or it is coming from Roots Militant Soul. Big up yourself, my brother. I am not sure. I hope I'm not wrong if you're a male or female. But it sounds like you're a male. But whatever. A manners and respect. Eh? Roots Militant Sound says, how come sometimes the Scotch bonnet, that means the Scotch bonnet pepper, can be chopped and sometimes Jamaicans only boil it in the food for flavor without letting it burst? Does it depend on how mature the pepper is? That's what he is asking. No, it does not depend on how mature the pepper is. I would say. These are the Scotch bonnet pepper. Mind you, you have much huger ones than these. Okay? This is the Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. One ripe, one green. Okay? This is not a Scotch bonnet pepper. This is a different species of pepper. These will come in red sometimes, and sometimes maybe, and you have another species that is pure, like sort of purplish, sort of brown. Those are completely different. The brown one, them are out of this world, them are more than some of the Scotch bonnet pepper. But these are the direct, this is the ripe, this is the green. Now, I'm addressing all of you all in the comments, so all my subscribers, my friends, my YouTube family. Now, these peppers, they have flavor and they have heat. The green ones does not have the amount of heat as the red. This one is the same thing, you know, but this is like the earlier stage. This is the more mature stage. At this stage, it has more heat. When you're looking for flavor only, you use the green one without bursting it. Mind you, the green one also has some heat, but not as much as the ripe. So when we're looking for flavor, like in soup, like in stews, in our rice and peas, and all of them something there, we just drop the green one without bursting it. If you want to burst it, you can burst it. You will get some heat also, but not as much as this. This does have flavor, but it is the king for the heat at this stage. It is king for heat. Hence, we use it in we use this for pickles. We use with both of them, you know, just for coloring and all of that. So most of the times we use this to make with pickle. We use the green ones too, you know, to enhance color and all of that. So we use this like, you know, sometimes we have certain dishes like curry mutton and all of that. We definitely use the ripe one because we want to eat. Now, eat versus extra eat. When you slice it and use it, and don't use the seeds or you omit the seeds, you get heat. But when you want additional heat, you use the ripe ones with the seed and all. Okay? And you put it in your dish. Now, as Jamaicans, we just rinse this. And when we think that the heat not enough, we never wait for it to cook. We just bite it, wash it and bite it raw. That you get the maximum strength right there. Not catch it from the stove. And when I say eat, I mean any heat stove like flame. Most Jamaicans, not most, but a lot of Jamaicans eat this as is. Just have them food and just have them Scotch bonnet and just so them eat them, just bite them Scotch bonnet. So this is the one that carries the most heat. It carries a little flavor too, but mostly heat. So I hope that does clear up all of, people who don't understand. So when you get it, if you don't want too much heat, you just drop it in your soup, don't burst it. If the soup cook and you take it out and you want some specific heat for yourself, because sometimes when I make soup, I like a lot of heat. I like a lot of spice from the pepper, I do. So I cook it in the soup for the flavor. But when it's finished and I'm dishing out mine, I just take it, it's not burst, so I take it then, but it's soft. So I just burst it in my one and get the extra heat, but it's not as hot as this one. Okay? So this is for like heat. Sorry, this is for flavor. I get a little heat, but not a lot. This is definitely for the heat. Okay? So now you understand. So it doesn't have to do with the maturity, roots, militant, and others. It has to do with what you want from the pepper. Now, sometimes if it's not fully mature, because sometimes when you look at some of them, they're not fully mature, You can't look on them and say, I like this. This is a young Scotch bonnet coming. This is not fully mature, This wouldn't give you neither flavor nor heat, This has nothing. You would even smell it. You know what I'm saying? The seeds, when you open it, the seeds in there, they're not mature. They're young. They're not fully developed. Okay? And you have some that are, even though they're Scotch bonnet, some they eat them just different. You have different species of Scotch bonnet. I'm telling you. Okay, so I hope that does clear up all of that. And if any other further questions, you can leave it in the comment section. Roots Militant Sound, big up yourself, manners and respect. Thank you so much for being a part of the Jamaican cooking journey. And also to post a comment and to ask if I could make it in a video, because I know there are others out there who would like to hear this information. And anybody else that would like, I know there are others, but as we said, we're starting right here and now. Whatever it is that you'd like me to clear up and it makes sense and you state it properly and you ask decent answer, we'll do it, okay? Because I know there are others that need the information. Now, I don't remember the name, but somebody was asking if I know about the Jamaican Johnny cake. Can I tell you, you look like you have a crystal ball, I read my mind. I didn't even remember that them call it Johnny cake. This is the big kiati dumpling them. All Jamaicans, I'm not dressing here now. Where we fry, big and round. And when we fry it, we cut it open and put where we want to put in it. She was asking if I could do the video. And I'm going to do the video on it. I was saying to my husband and him say, yes, Debbie. A Johnny cake we call him. I didn't even remember. I had that video in mind, but I didn't even remember. So now say the Jamaican then, you all see that what I'm talking about, people are out there will even remember more than I do. When I go to the comment section, I see things that people remember more than I know them, but I don't remember. So thank you so much. Call me alone. No man is an island, no man stands alone. Thank you so much for your reminders. Oh, and yes, I know about it and I am going to do it in due season. And also somebody had asked if it is okay to the rest, when you do burn the sugar, the remainder, if you can put it in a jar and store it. Oh yes, you can, me put us. And me put us is just like, you have a nice little friend, you have a nice little family member, it's just a little Jamaican patwa thing. Yes, darling, it's the same thing as yes, darling. You can. And for all of you who would like to know, yes, you can. Just put it in your jar, preferably a wide mouth jar, and you store it in your cupboard. You don't have to refrigerate it, it won't spoil. You can keep it for probably a year. You have expiry date and things. We're not going to keep it more than a year. As browning and them something they can do. You can keep it on. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. And we're coming at you. We're coming at you. We're coming at you. We're going to go deep. We're going to go deep and deeper each time. And we're going to come right out at you. We're going to bring back all the Jamaican cuisine that all the Jamaicans who have left Jamaica for so long, all those who are not Jamaicans and are so passionate about the Jamaican cuisine, we're going to be bringing it to you. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for everything. And remember to like, share, subscribe. And when you do subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell. And in order for you to be a part of the post notification crew, all you've got to do when you hit the bell, you leave your comments below and you will be a part. Today's post notification shout out goes to
Big Hornsey. Big Hornsey.
Big Hornsey. Big Hornsey. Manners and respect. I hope we pronounce that correct. I should think so. Big Hornsey. Thank you so much for being a part of the Jamaican cooking journey. I hope you didn't know a little something about the pepper business there, you know. So once more, we thank you for your love. We thank you for your support. And words are not enough to say, but let us continue on the Jamaican cooking journey. All you Jamaicans who are out there looking at me, watching this video, help me, help to lift me up, help to lift me, show me some love, and let us preserve this so loved Jamaican cuisine. Debbie from Dongayard, bless, no stress.